Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Origin and then reinstall Origin and restore all your previous games, so you don't have to download them again. To start off with, all you need to do is open up Origin, and once you have, you need to go to the top left hand corner of Origin and click on this little Origin button, and then click on Settings, Application Settings here, and you will end up on a screen that looks like this. Once you are on this screen, you now need to go across to Installs and Saves, and you will then see your game library location. As you can see, mine is on my E drive. You now need to go to that directory, which I have now done in my file explorer, which is here, and you will see all your games that are installed to your computer. You now need to close down Origin, and once you have fully quit Origin, you need to go back one folder from your Origin games, and we're just going to rename this folder just for our peace of mind, as we don't want Origin to delete it when we uninstall Origin. I'm just going to put a 2 at the end of the folder, and it's now named Origin Games 2. Once you have done that, you now need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Apps and Features, and you now need to type in where it says search this list, Origin, and you now need to click on Origin, and we need to click on Uninstall, and we need to press Uninstall again. You now need to press Uninstall. Once Origin has uninstalled, you now need to press finish, and we need to restart our computer. Once your computer has restarted, you now need to click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to click on download underneath Windows, and you need to go save file. Depending on how fast your internet connection is, depends on how long the download will take. Once the download has finished, you now need to run this setup file, and you need to click on Run, and we can now just minimize the website. You now need to click on Install Origin, and we now need to just choose where we'd like to install Origin to. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive, so I'm going to leave it like that. You can now choose if you'd like to create a desktop shortcut, a start menu shortcut, if you'd like Origin to automatically run with Windows, which I don't want, automatically keep Origin games up to date, that's always a good one to keep ticked, share hardware specifications, no, and I have read and accept the terms and conditions. We can now go continue, and it will begin to install Origin. Once Origin has finished installing, before we go any further, you now need to go back to that folder where your Origin games were installed to. And we now need to rename that folder back to what it was originally called. And I just added a 2 on the end, which means I just need to remove the 2 and press enter. And there we go. That's my Origin games all here, and they are all still okay. Right, you now need to either register or create an account, should I say, with Origin to log in, or if you already have an account, you now need to sign in. Once you have signed into Origin, you now need to go to the top left hand corner of your screen and click on Origin again, and we now need to click on Application Settings. We now need to go across to Installs and Saves, and we need to click on Game Library Location and click Change Folder. We now need to select the folder which our games are all installed in, which I still have File Explorer up, so I can just copy that URL there, or should I say folder location, and now just paste it in there. And there we go. I can now press enter and press select folder, and as you can see, all my games are in there. If we press select folder, Your settings have now been changed. This won't affect your currently installed games, they remain in their original location, which is all good. If we press close now, and then close down Origin, and reopen up Origin. Once Origin is open again, if I now click on Apex Legends, as you can see it says play. And there we go, it really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.